How to make a shortcut for streaks on Snapchat. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started right now for creating streaks. So let's first open Snapchat. Snapchat has that option which is called streaks, as every time you send snaps and exchange snaps with any of your contacts or friends, you have that snap score increased and also the streaks numbers increase. It's like a game on Snapchat, but choosing contacts while streaking is a very long process, especially for someone who has many friends on Snapchat. So shortcuts helped in decreasing the time used in this. So let's send a snap and add a shortcut right now. So let's now take this snap. As you can see, now we are able to make any edits in the picture, and when you click and send to, you can now send it and choose the friends that you want to send them the streak. But if you selected each one, it's gonna be time consuming, so you can just go to the upper right and click on shortcuts here and click on new shortcut, choose the contacts you want in this shortcut, and then click on create shortcut, and you can also choose an emoji for this shortcut. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.